I want to go back for just a moment to the early morning of December 14th, 2012. On that morning, there was a young man in Newtown, a quiet suburb here in Connecticut, and he was preparing for a mission. This young man, he dressed himself in tactical gear, and he packed 10 30-round magazines. The weapon he needed for his mission that day was never in doubt. It was, and I'm quoting, according to the defendants, the uncompromising choice when you demand a rifle as mission adaptable as you are. And it was to be specific, it was the Bushmaster XM15 E2S, which was an AR-15 assault rifle derived from the military. And now Remington may never have known Adam Lanza, but they had been courting him for years. Forces of opposition bow down. You are single-handedly outnumbered. Those words in a marketing campaign, they don't happen accidentally. We all know that. And so that's how this direct entrustment works.
What was the purpose of advertising forces of opposition bow down, you are single-handedly outnumbered, if your only arrangement was with the distributor Camfor?
Well, obviously all product manufacturers are trying to capture market share through promotional activities, advertising and otherwise. The purpose is to sell products, is to make people interested in buying your products. And I would point out that the advertisements that counsel has referenced were not necessarily directed to a younger demographic or to civilians generally. Bushmaster in 2010, when this gun was sold to 3 different marketplaces: civilians, law enforcement, and military.
But the civilian marketplace was included, had access to this
in the product
apparently.
in the product catalog in which those slogans, those references appeared, certainly.